I just found a YouTube channel that is truly amazing. It uploads simple 2D style car racing videos and is reportedly earning thousands of dollars per month. Many people think creating this type of channel takes a lot of time and effort, but that's not entirely true. The reality is that these short animated car racing videos can be created very quickly. In fact, one video can take as little as 5 minutes to produce. Yes, you read that right. Around 5 minutes for a single short video. And the best part, you don't need expensive software or paid credits. Today, I'm going to introduce a completely free AI tool that lets you create these animations without spending any money. Just come into ChatGPT and paste the prompt that I've also provided in the description. This prompt is genuinely amazing. All you have to do is paste your idea into it, and it will generate a high-quality cinematic video prompt for you in seconds. You don't need advanced editing skills or animation experience. Simply describe your concept, and the prompt will transform it into a detailed video plan with scenes, visuals, and motion ideas. It saves time, boosts creativity, and helps you produce content faster than ever. Make sure you check out the prompt in the description and try it yourself. Now open the website Google Flow. Don't worry, I know this platform usually gives limited credits, but today I'll guide you on how to use it in the smartest and most efficient way. First, go step by step with me. Click on the upgrade option, and you'll see plans like Google AI Plus and Google AI Pro. The Pro plan often comes with a free trial for the first month, which means you can explore the platform and test its features without paying upfront. Simply follow the official sign-up process, enter your details, and activate the trial if it's available in your region. Once your account is active, refresh the dashboard and check your credits. You'll notice that a large number of credits have been added to your account, which you can now use to generate videos. These credits are more than enough to create multiple short videos and test different ideas. Now copy the prompt that I gave you earlier and go to the text-to-video section. Paste your prompt there and click Generate. Within seconds, the AI will start creating your video. You can paste different prompts one by one and generate multiple variations to see which style works best. The process is extremely fast. At the beginning, I said it might take around 5 minutes per video, but honestly, many short videos can be generated in just 1 or 2 minutes. You don't need advanced editing skills, expensive software, or a big production setup. The AI handles most of the heavy work for you. After generating the videos, review the results carefully. Choose the best clips, download them, and upload them to your channel. Add catchy titles, strong thumbnails, and relevant hashtags to increase your chances of going viral. Consistency is the key. Try to upload daily or at least a few times per week. You can also experiment with different niches like car racing, action shorts, kids animations, or motivational clips. The more you test, the better you'll understand what your audience enjoys. Over time, your video quality and speed will improve, and your channel can start gaining views and subscribers. Remember, success doesn't come from one video. It comes from consistency, smart tools, and creativity. Use AI to save time, focus on ideas, and keep learning with every upload. If you stay consistent and keep improving your prompts, you can build a strong, faceless channel faster than you think. Check the video results yourself and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear your feedback and see what kind of videos you create using this method. Now finally come into CapCut because this is also a very important part of the process. Just drag and drop all your short video clips into the timeline. I know you might be thinking about the small logo or watermark at the bottom, but don't worry, simply zoom in slightly on the video frame and adjust the crop. This will remove the visible logo area and make your clip look clean. After that, you can adjust the video size and position according to your style. You can trim clips, arrange them in order, and make sure the pacing feels smooth and engaging. CapCut also provides many built-in transitions, so you can easily add simple and clean transitions between clips to make the video more dynamic. You can also add text overlays, titles, or captions to make the video more attractive and easier to understand. There are many text styles and animation options available inside CapCut, so you don't need any other editing software. Everything you need, transitions, text effects, music, and basic editing tools, is already here in one place. Keep the editing simple and fast. The goal is to produce clean, engaging, short videos without spending too much time. Once you're done, export the video in high quality and get it ready for upload. With this workflow, you can create and edit multiple shorts quickly and stay consistent with your content.